This is Shevii, the seventh reading of our weekly Torah portion of Bamidbar. The seventh reading of our weekly Torah portion will include the Maftir, which is the final reading, and that's usually the last few verses, and it's within Shevii, so I'll do this in one video. The seventh reading is Numbers chapter 4, verses 1 through 20, and the Maftir will be chapter 4, verses 17 through 20. Numbers chapter 4, verse 1, and Numbers chapter 4, verse 1. The Lord spoke to Moses and Aaron, saying, "Make a count of the sons of Kohat from among the children of Levi by their families according to their fathers' houses, from the age of 30 until the age of 50, all who enter the service to do work in the tent of meeting." The following is the service of the sons of Kohat in the tent of meeting, the Holy of Holies. When the camp is about to travel, Aaron and his sons shall come and take down the dividing screen. With it they shall cover the ark of the testimony. They shall place upon it a covering of tachash skin, and on top of that they shall spread a cloth of pure blue wool. Then they shall put its poles in place. They shall spread a cloth of blue wool on the show table, and they shall place it on the forms, spoons, supports, and covering frames. The continual bread can then be placed upon it. They shall spread upon them a cloth of crimson wool, and cover that with a covering of tachash skin. Then they shall put its poles into place. They shall take a blue cloth and cover the menorah for lighting, and its lamps, its tongs, its scoops, and all its oil vessels. In performing its service, they shall put it and its vessels into a covering of tachash skin, and place it on a pole. They shall spread a cloth of blue wool over the golden altar, and cover it with a covering of tachash skin, and then set its poles in place. They shall then take all the vessels used in the holy, put them into a cloth of blue wool, cover them with a covering of tachash skin, and put them onto a pole. They shall remove the ashes from the altar and spread a cloth of purple wool over it. They shall place on it all the utensils with which they minister upon it, the scoops, the forks, the shovels, and the basins, all the implements of the altar. Then they shall spread over it a covering of tachash skin, and set its poles into place. Aaron and his sons shall finish covering the holy and all the vessels of the holy when the camp is set to travel, and following that the sons of Kohat shall come to carry them, but they shall not touch the sacred objects, for then they will die. This is the burden of the sons of Kohat for the tent of meeting. The charge of Eleazar the son of Aaron the Kohen, oil for lighting, the incense of spices, the continual daily meal offering, and the anointing oil, the charge for the entire Mishkan, and all that is in it of the holy, and its furnishings. The Lord spoke to Moses and Aaron, saying, "Do not cause the tribe of the families of Kohat to be cut off from among the Levites. Do this for them, so they should live and not die when they approach the Holy of Holies. Aaron and his sons shall first come and appoint each man individually to his task and his load. They shall not come in to see when the holy vessels are being wrapped up, lest they die." Okay, and then Maftir will be the last four verses, 17 through 20. Verse 17, the Lord spoke to Moses and Aaron, saying, Do not cause the tribe of the families of Kohath to be cut off from among the Levites. Do this for them, so that they should live and not die. When they approach the Holy of Holies, Aaron and his sons shall first come and appoint each man individually to his task and his load. They shall not come in to see when the holy vessels are being wrapped up, lest they die. Actually, this is lest they die here, and I think it's not exactly the right translation. It just says Lo yavohu liros kivala es hakodesh vamesu, and die. So I think literally it would just be they should not come and see when the holy vessels are being wrapped up and die. But the translator took the liberty of explaining lest they die. Okay, just want to make that point. Okay.